Well, here's a Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? So the correct output of this code is 0, 100 and 2. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and first of all, this will be like this. There's 0, there's 1, and there's 2. Now what happened is that when you're doing this, it creates a shallow copy. So the outer list is created separately like this. The outer list is created separately, but the inner list 0, 1 and 2 are still referencing to A. Therefore, when you do B of 1 and append 100, what happens is that here 100 is added with 1 like this, and since B was referencing to A, the change is also reflected back here, and A list also becomes 0, 100 and 2. That's how we got this as the output.